Hello. When your car loses power during acceleration, it can be a concerning issue that needs to be addressed promptly. Let's explore some of the common reasons why this might happen and how you can troubleshoot and resolve the problem. If you provide more details about your specific situation, I can offer more tailored advice to help you get your car back to peak performance. There are several potential causes for a car losing power when accelerating. Some common reasons include: Number 1. Clogged fuel filter. Your fuel filter can clog over time due to the sediments in your fuel. Due to the resulting low fuel pressure, your engine becomes less responsive when you press the gas pedal or the vehicle jerks during hard acceleration. Since you cannot repair a fuel filter, the only solution to a clogged fuel filter is to have an experienced mechanic replace it. Number 2. Faulty mass airflow sensor, MAF. The MAF sensor measures the amount of air entering the engine and adjusts the fuel mixture accordingly. A faulty MAF sensor can cause incorrect air-fuel ratios, resulting in a loss of power. Number 3. Fuel injector issues. If you buy contaminated fuel, your vehicle's fuel injectors can easily clog because they have narrow nozzles. Since a clogged fuel injector cannot spray fuel optimally, less fuel in the combustion chamber compromises the air-fuel ratio, leading to performance issues like loss of power during acceleration. Number 4. Clogged air filter. Since engines require airflow to complete the combustion process, you should ensure a constant supply of clean air for your vehicle to run smoothly. One way to ensure that the engine gets enough air for combustion is to replace your air filter as your vehicle's manufacturer directs on the owner's manual. You can also clean an air filter using a vacuum cleaner or a can of compressed air. Number 5. Engine overheating. Overheating can lead to engine damage and reduced performance, including a loss of power during acceleration. Number 6. Ignition system issues. Problems with the ignition system, such as faulty spark plugs, ignition coils, or ignition timing, can cause misfires and a loss of power during acceleration. Number 7. Faulty fuel pump. A fuel pump pumps fuel from your vehicle's fuel tank to the engine's fuel injector or carburetor. Therefore, if the pump is faulty, it may not have enough power to deliver fuel at the optimum pressure, leading to a loss of power. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to click the subscribe, like and share buttons, and the next video. Stay healthy.